Alright, in today's video we're gonna unbox a 5-in-1 USB-C hub. Hi, welcome to Simple Unboxing, where we keep videos short and simple. So right here we have an Aukey 5-in-1 USB-C hub. So let's see. Let's open it up. Comes with the instructions. Nice looking piece of paper. I don't know what it is. It's very small. It feels very sturdy. So I like that. And that's all. So let's test it. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect this to the computer. There we go. I'm gonna connect a USB just to test it. There we go. I have a hub that is connected to these USB-C, and I'm gonna try it out. That's also connected to another hard drive that I have here. So let's see if that works. There we go. Detected it. I have a HDMI that it's this monitor. Just connect that. And one last thing I never tried before. I'm gonna connect the internet cable to this. Right now it says it's wireless, but let's see if I connect it, if it detects it. There we go. I still got one more to connect right here, so let's try that with something else. I got another hard drive. Let's try that. If you see here, well, I don't think you can see it, but it's connected to the internet cable, so it does work. My screen is completely gone. On the bottom one, let me see if I can put them both. Display settings. Let's close this. Show only on two. Extend these displays. There we go. Keep changes. It's working. Let me move this to the top. That's how I want it. Apply. There we go. It goes up and down. Now let's see if it detected my files. Let me close this. And let's see. It's my computer. There we go. This is the green USB. I don't know if you can see it, but it did detected it. This is the large one, the last one I connected, which it did detect it. And my book, which is the largest backup that I have. Let's see if it works. I don't even know what this is. There we go. Yes, it does work. Sorry, you can't see it, but It works. So if you'd like to learn more about the details of this product, you'll find a link in the description below. And that's it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.